Hey everyone, Pete from Jewel Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making friendship bracelets. So you're going to need your wool, your beads, scissors, remember scissors are sharp, and then just something heavy just to weigh it down. I'll show you in a sec. First thing to do is just to get 6 strands of different coloured wool, and they need to be different colours, otherwise it's too tricky. So just get 6 ends together and then you can cut them off and they'll all be the same length. So you just need a bit like that, good chunk. So you want to leave a few inches, so sort of like a hand sort of width, good size, and then tie a knot. So this is where your weight comes in. Wedge that on there. You're going to want to spread the wool out into 3 pairs. Like so. And then you're going to take 1 piece of wool from your first pair and 1 piece of wool from your next pair, and you're going to pop a bead on it. Slide that down, and then the pair that were together in the first one, you're just going to tie a knot as close to the bead as you can get it. Like so. Now you take the other piece of wool from that pair and 1 from this pair, and you do the same again. Pop a bead on. Slide that down. And then you can put that pair back together. Tie a knot in this pair. And then you're going to tie a knot in the last pair. So then you just do the same again. You can pick different colours from each pair as well if you want to, as long as it's 1 from each pair. So you see, so it's these 2. And same again. Tie your knot. Same again. 1 from each pair. And then tie them off again. Here we go. And then you just keep going like that, and you can do as many rows of the beads as you want to. So when you've done all the beads you want to, you just want to tie them all together. Like so. You finish your bracelet, and then you can just put it on your wrist, keep it nice and loose, make sure you can get it off, and then tie the knot. And then you can just keep putting it back on and off when you want to. Like so. And you're all done.